What planes will replace American Airlines' retired Boeing 767s? With the news that American Airlines plans to retire its fleet of Boeing 767s by the end of May, many have been asking what aircraft American plans to replace them with. How soon will we see these new aircraft in service? American Airlines revealed the decision to retire its 767s early during a press statement regarding the challenging aviation conditions. It realized that with most of its fleet out of action and demand at an incredible all-time low, it was a good time to ramp up its fleet maintenance and refurbishment schedules. Included in these schedules was the eventual retirement of its Boeing 767 fleet. Originally proposed to take place over a few years, with the first to be retired in May, American Airlines thought that maybe it should just get it over and done with and retire all 16 aircraft by the end of May. This would mean no more maintenance on the aircraft, which is expensive, and no more fuel-inefficient aircraft in its fleet, which is even more expensive. American Airlines is expecting to take delivery of 22 Boeing 787-8 aircraft. These will be used to directly replace nearly all the routes operated by the Boeing 767-300 aircraft fleet. Some routes will be shut down instead, and allow the airline to open some additional new destinations. To compare the two aircraft, the Boeing 767 can carry 209 passengers to a range of 5,980 nautical miles or 11,070 kilometers. The Boeing 787 can carry 239 passengers to a range of 7,355 nautical miles or 13,620 kilometers. The new aircraft can fly further and carry more passengers than the 767s at a reduced fuel burn, saving money for the airline. Plus, passengers will have a better experience with quieter engines and better pressurization and bigger windows for those with window seats. It isn't a complete upgrade across the board, however. The Boeing 787-8 carries less business class seats than the Boeing 767, 20 seats versus 28, thus there may well be less award availability for those looking to upgrade. Additionally, the economy cabin seems a little more crowded with a different configuration, 232 on the 767 and 333 on the 787. The upside comes in the fact that the Dreamliners will arrive with the new premium economy on board, and this could make for a decent upgrade from economy and a new tier for award seekers to consider. One matter of concern is that these replacement aircraft won't actually be delivered to the airline by May, when its entire fleet of Boeing 767s are mothballed. American Airlines already has 20 787s, but these are operating on other routes. But concerning the current situation in aviation, likely American Airlines is completely okay to have a smaller fleet. With no routes to fly, these new aircraft would be sitting empty. In fact, if the situation continues, the airline might even prefer deferring the order until a few years later. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to the Simple Flying channel and be sure to click the notification bell.